Assalamu alaikum.
How are you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Please like, comment, share. Also subscribe my YouTube channel.
Today I am showing you rice flour face pack for glowing skin. Rice flour, milk powder, rose water, take 1 tablespoon of rice flour. Rice flour, a potent skin-clearing agent, has been hailed by many Korean and Japanese skincare regimes for its acne-reducing qualities. It also regulates oil production, which helps keep the pores fresh and unclogged. Add 1 tablespoon of milk powder. It is rich in lactic acid, which naturally cleans and brightens skin. Besides skin lightening, what makes milk powder an apt ingredient for the skin is the concentration of vitamins and minerals. This acts as a skin purifier. Add 2 tablespoons of rose water. Cool and refreshing. Rose water for skin contains anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties that help reduce redness and acne. It is also known to help soothe major skincare issues like eczema or rosacea. Even our best retinol products range is also good for sensitive skin. Mix it very well. Please like my video. Give me your feedback in comment section. Also share my video with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Apply this remedy for 15 to 20 minutes. Use this remedy twice a week for good result. Thank you for watching. Take care. Allah Hafiz.